In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Elementor header and footer builder. This process is straightforward, and even if you're not using Elementor Pro, there's a handy workaround that I'll walk you through step by step. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you'll need to install a free plugin. A fantastic choice is the Elementor Header and Footer Builder plugin. This plugin provides similar functionality to the Pro version, but without the added cost. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Simply navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Header and Footer Builder, and once you find it, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, make sure to hit Activate so that the plugin can be up and running on your site. With the plugin activated, you'll notice a new option under Appearance in your dashboard menu. Go ahead and click on Elementor Header and Footer Builder. From here, you'll be entering the realm of custom header and footer design. Now, to create a new header or footer, click on Add New. You'll be prompted to select the type of template you want. This is where you get to decide if you're designing a header or a footer. It's crucial to choose the right type here because each serves a different purpose on your website. Once you've made your selection, scroll down a bit to the Display Conditions section. This is an important step because it allows you to control where your newly designed header or footer will appear. You can set it to show across your entire site or on specific pages. Tailoring these conditions to your needs ensures that your website has a consistent look and feel, while also allowing for specific exceptions if needed. Once you've sorted out the display conditions, it's time for the fun part: designing. You'll want to click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will take you to the Elementor interface where you have complete creative freedom. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add elements, customize styles, and really make the header or footer reflective of your brand. Take your time here, pay attention to details, and ensure everything aligns perfectly. When you're satisfied with your design, head over to the top right corner of the page and click Publish. Congratulations! You've successfully created and published a custom header or footer using the Elementor Header and Footer Builder plugin. Whether you're bringing new life to your website or starting from scratch, the tools we've used today open up a realm of possibilities. Experiment, stay creative, and most importantly, have fun while designing your site's signature elements. Thanks for watching, and happy building!